Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Nissan X-TRAIL Ti, stock reference number 4333. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags, left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, non-camera type. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage, the left hand front has no mould. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage, spoiler type. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage apart from some clear coat peeling. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.